I might be on a book buying ban, but did that stop me from buying more books? No. I ordered all of these on Libristo. I don't know if you can see it, but whatever. I also blocked my friend Zoe for the sake of this video because it was her birthday, and I have her gifts here. Even though I know she knows what I got her, I want it to be a surprise. Anyways, her birthday was 2 weeks ago. And I have her gifts right here. You probably can tell what this book is. It is Love on the Brain by Ali Hazelwood. She loved The Love Hypothesis, and then I got her The Night Circus, which I also got for myself, so we could like buddy read, you know? Anyways, I got myself The Night Circus, Lockwood and Co., The Screaming Staircase, Hauntings Are Our Business. Oh my god, this man, love of my life. I've read this book 2 years ago in Hungarian, so I thought I'll give it a try in English. Next, The Inheritance Games. I bought this only because the final Gambit came out, and I just feel really left out, so I decided to buy it. This is the book that I picked for Zoe for her books, because look at that. Does that match? Yes, it does. It totally matches. So yeah, this is the gift, and